In today's video, part 2, you will learn 10 other smart verbs. If you use them in your English, it must sound smart. So please don't miss them. I'll be back just after the intro. Hey guys, myself Ahmed Talib from English Care Home. Welcome to my video lecture. Today, we'll learn about 10 smart verbs to use in English which sounds smart. This video is part 2. If you didn't watch my video of part 1, then you can watch it from the description box. Before we start, I'd like to request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from me. Let's start by moving on to the screen. Number 1. Facilitate. It's a verb and means to make an action or process easy or easier. Look at the example sentence. This video will facilitate learning English. Here, facilitate means make easy. Number 2. Generate. This word is also a verb. It means to cause, to arise or come about. It also means to yield or produce. Let's see an example. We hope to generate some new ideas at the meeting. Here, generate means cause to arise. Verb number 3. Habituate. This verb means to make or become accustomed or used to something. Let's have an example. I'm habituated to work hard. In this sentence, habituated means used to. Now verb number 4. Integrate. The word integrate is also a verb. It means to combine one thing with another so that they become a whole. Look at the example sentence. We must integrate all of our ideas to innovate an effective vaccine for coronavirus. Here, integrate means to combine. Number 5. Judge. Judge is used as a verb. In this regard, it means to form an opinion or conclusion about something. Here is an example sentence for you. I think you should not judge people for their appearance. Here, judge means form an opinion. Dear friends, if you want to learn some special and effective tips for your overall development in English, then you should watch my video of 6 most important tips for your overall development in English. You will get the video at the end screen. Number 6. Launch. Launch is a verb which means to start or set in motion. It also means to begin. Now look at the example sentence. English Care Home has launched live English learning program. Here, launched means started. Number 7. Mediate. As a verb, mediate means to bring about an agreement or to bring about a result. Let's see an example of it. The organization mediates between businesses and consumers to settle disputes. In this sentence, you see mediate means bring about the agreement. Number 8. Negotiate. As a verb, negotiate has the same meaning of mediate. So you can use negotiate instead of mediate. The word negotiate has also other meanings, to bargain or deal. For example, John negotiated the price of the shirt, so he got a discount on it. Here in this sentence, negotiated means bargained. Number 9. Officiate. Officiate is also a verb that means to act as an official in charge of something. For instance, he officiated as a representative from our company. Here, officiated means acted as an official. Number 10. Pinpoint. Pinpoint is also used as a verb. It means to find or locate exactly. Here is an example sentence for it. How can we pinpoint a date for the meeting? Look, here pinpoint means find. Dear viewers, that's all for today's lesson. Now I'm giving you a homework. Pinpoint your most favorite 2 words from the list. Make your own sentences with them and write your answer in the comment box. My dear friends, if you think you have learned something from my video, then please give a like and share it for others. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Thank you for watching the full video.